Walang sapat at angkop na salita para mailarawan ang sakit na nararamdaman ng isang magulang na nawalan ng anak.
Dahil ang puso ko'y nakakapit sa'yo.
Tulad ng kirot na aming naramdaman nang namaalam ang aming pinakamamahal na si Imansky.
It's like 2:30 a.m. right now. I decided to have a late night snack.
Ang anak kong si Emmanuel. Si Eman ay isang sparkle artist at content creator na minahal ng marami sa TikTok.
Magandang hapon, mga kababayan. Nayon.
Habang nag-aaral sa Amerika bilang teenager, patuloy niyang pinasaya ang mga tao sa kanyang mga video.
Naks naman, kaya naman ikaw mag-Tagalog.
Pero higit sa lahat, si Eman ay authentic, mabait, at matapang.
I'm gonna have a moment of realness with you guys. I've talked a lot about how I used to struggle with mental illness. If you followed my content for a while, you know I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder in my mid-teens. This means that I'd have phases of extreme happiness called manic episodes and phases of extreme sadness called depressive episodes.
When we talk about bipolar disorder, so one may have the depressed phase. So when we say we are depressed, the minimum duration is at least 2 weeks. Na the two major criteria is it's either halos buong araw or buong araw na nalulungkot ako and or the things that I normally enjoy, I don't enjoy anymore. When we talk about mania naman, minimum of 1 week, it's either irritable, elevated, expansive mood, and then may kasama din siya mga ibang symptoms like kahit konti lang yung tulog, ang taas ng energy niya, nagiging madaldal siya. According to the World Health Organization, in the world, it's about 0.5% of the general population. It's actually very similar also to the Philippines, 0.5% din siya. So if we are 110 million, that's about more than 500,000 that may have this diagnosis. Yung focus natin gets affected. Yung sleep natin gets affected. Appetite also is affected. We tend to feel hopeless, we tend to feel guilty, and then we may also have yung mga suicidal ideations.
Ipinagluluksa po ngayon ang pagpanaw ng social media personality at artist by status by Sparkle na si Emmanuel Atienza, anak ng ating kasama rito sa 24 oras na si Kuya Kim.
Grief or bereavement. So this is the sadness that we experience after losing a loved one. So they say nga na the price of love is grief.
And when the moment I found out, that we lost you, was the deepest pain. I felt it.
There are stages, pero it doesn't mean na we're gonna be taking one stage at a time. And sometimes nga the stages nagsasabay din siya eh. So it can start with denial, and then anger, and then bargaining, and then depression, and then later on, hopefully, we have that acceptance already.
It's like a Thanksgiving for the 19 beautiful years that He gave Emma to us. Emma was such a beautiful, beautiful, kind person. When Emma is gone, this is the lowest point in my life. But I have hope. Because if I'm kind today, just a little kind, then Emma is alive in my heart.
Anong message mo kay Lolo?
Mahal kita, Lolo.
What's your wish naman?
To make people happy and make myself happy in the process.
Salamat, May Eman, sa liwanag na iniwan mo sa amin. Hindi man kita kasama ngayon, ramdam ko pa rin na kabutihang binahagi mo sa mundo.
Emma, you're my sunshine. My love. My everything. And one day we'll be together again. I love you.